right? What we'll start today is nothing but what clubbing of income. Clubbing of income is covered by first revision kar lenge, then we'll start the problematic part. See, clubbing of income is covered by which section? Section number 60 से लेके section number 64.
Yes.
बोलो बोलो.
Yes,
Section
sir.
number 60 से लेके section number 64 deals with clubbing. Revision करा देता हूँ फटाफट. Now, what do you mean by clubbing? Means income of one person will be clubbed in the hands of another person. That is called nothing but clubbing of income. Clubbing
Yes, sir.
happens under section 60, 61 and 64. याद रखना.
Yes.
तीन section के नीचे clubbing होता है. 60, 61 and 64. Only these three sections will attract clubbing. Now,
Yes, sir.
see, if an income is exempt from tax, it does not attract any clubbing. अगर कोई income exempt है, तो वो income club नहीं होगी. Am I clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Income may be positive, income may be negative. If it is covered by clubbing chapter, even negative income will also attract clubbing. मतलब losses भी club हो सकते हैं. Point number 3, when you do clubbing of income, clubbing should be done under the same head of income. अगर house property club करना है, तो house property will remain house property income. Am I clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
clubbing of income happens under respective head of income. Point before, after you do clubbing, then only you should do set off and carry forward. Clubbing करने के बाद set off and carry forward करना है. Please try to understand. Because clubbing section comes first, then comes set off and carry forward. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
बोलो ना भाई, थोड़ा तो feedback दो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is section number 60? एक बार casually बोलता हूँ, देखो ध्यान से सुनो. What is section number 60? Section number 60 says what? Section number 60 says when you are trying to transfer an asset or when you make a transfer of income without transferring the underlying asset, then income earned by the transferor will attract clubbing in the hands of whom, sir? Income earned by transferee will
Transferee.
attract clubbing in the hands of whom? Transferor.
Transferor.
Yes.
मतलब अगर मेरे पास एक एसेट है, उससे आने वाली इनकम मैं किसी को दे रहा हूँ, राइट? मतलब
Yes.
intentionally I'm trying to avoid the tax on the income. Government says if you retain the ownership of the asset, obviously the income should also belong to you, na?
Yes,
So
sir.
in a case if you retain the ownership but you are giving the ownership of the income, then then in that case
Income will be taxable.
clubbing
Yes.
provisions will attract. Therefore, transfer of income without transferring the underlying asset will attract clubbing. Point number 1. This is
Yes,
section
sir.
number 60. John?
Yes, sir.
Section number 61 simply says what? Revocable transfer. Whenever you make a transfer of asset as a revocable transfer, then income earned by the transferee from such asset will attract clubbing in the hands of whom? Transferor. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अगर आप asset transfer कर देते हो as a revocable transfer, then income earned by transferee from such asset will attract clubbing in the hands of whom? Transferor.
Transferor. Yes,
Now, what
sir.
is revocable transfer? Section 62 and 63 में definition दिया गया है. What is revocable? What is irrevocable?
Yes, sir.
Principal points याद रख लो भाई. What is revocable transfer? If you have a right to take back the asset at any point of time in future. Am I clear? Gone
Yes,
the case
sir.
of transfer is said to be what? Revocable.
Revocable.
यहाँ पे एक main point है. If an asset is transferred for someone's benefit, for the lifetime of that person, then such transfer is taken as what? Irrevocable up to that lifetime. Once that person dies, it will become what transfer?
Revocable.
Revocable.
समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. इन दोनों सेक्शन में रिलेशन बिटवीन पार्टीज इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. ये दोनों सेक्शन में रिलेशन की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. क्लबिंग तो होगा ही होगा. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
But
Yes,
when it
sir.
comes to section 64, इसमें कंपलसरी रिलेशन रहेगा तो ही क्लबिंग है.
Yes, sir.
डिटेल में डिस्कशन करने के लिए टाइम नहीं है, तो व्हाट विल डू, विल टेक ओनली नटशेल. इफ यू ऑब्जर्व 64 subsection 1 clause 2,
Yes.
64 subsection 1 clause
Clause
4,
4.
याद है?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
64 subsection 1 clause 6,
6.
64 subsection 1 clause
Clause
7,
7.
याद है?
Yes, sir.
64 subsection 1 clause 8,
Clause 8. Yes, sir.
yeah,
Yes,
and
sir.
64 subsection 1
Section
A.
1.
Last one 64 subsection 2.
2.
हाँ, अब ध्यान से सुनो. Why I'm just writing intentionally. All these sections will apply only when the relation is that of what? Husband and wife. Husband and wife का जब relation रहेगा, spouse का relation रहना है, then only this clubbing section will apply. Sir, what about the other two sections? These two sections will apply only when relation is what? Father-in-law,
Father-in-law,
mother-in-law,
Mother-in-law.
with
two
daughter-in-law.
daughter-in-law. याद है?
Yes, sir.
Daughter-in-law का relation रहना है. And this section will apply when the relation is that of parent and child.
Child. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Parent and child का relation रहना है. याद है ना? 64
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Last section will apply when the relation is that of HUF and
HUF
members.
and
HUF.
members.
Yes, sir.
HUF and members. Am I clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
these sections will do clubbing only when the relation exists and subsists. Sir, एक section थोड़ा तो बोलो. हाँ बोलता हूँ. This section is very simple. 64(1)(2) says what you know. If SSE is holding substantial interest in an entity, it may be a company, partnership firm, LLP, proprietary concern. In the same entity, spouse of the SSE also earns income without justifying professional degree, experience and expertise. Right now?
Yes,
ना ही
sir.
प्रोफेशनल एक्सपीरियंस है, एक्सपर्टाइज है, ना ही कुछ नॉलेज है, समझो. देन इनकम अर्न्ड बाय द स्पाउस विल अट्रैक्ट क्लबिंग इन द हैंड्स ऑफ होम, यू नो, एसएससी.
SSE.
यहाँ पे तो याद रखने की बात क्या है, रिलेशन रहना है, सब्सटैंशियल इंटरेस्ट रहना है एसएससी का, स्पाउस इज वर्निंग एंड इज नॉट एबल टू जस्टिफाई द रेम्यूनरेशन.
Yes, sir.
बोलो ना सर.
Yes, sir.
रेम्यूनरेशन अर्न्ड बाय स्पाउस
Not justified.
from an entity in which SSE holds what you know, SSE holds
Substantial interest.
Substantial interest.
अगर SSE का substantial interest है, मतलब उस individual का, Mr. X का, और Mrs. X वहाँ पे काम कर रही है without justifying, then income earned by madam will attract clubbing in the hands of sir.
Mr.
Simple
X.
example. It can be
Yes,
ulta
sir.
way also. This
Yes,
is
sir.
first section. This is nothing but second section is transfer of asset. Asset ही बोल रहा हूँ, मतलब it can be any asset including cash also. Transfer of asset to spouse, obviously for inadequate consideration or for no consideration.
Consideration.
If
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
X transfers asset to Mrs. X, then income earned by Mrs. X from such asset will attract clubbing in the hands of whom, you know, Mr. X. वही है principal point. यहाँ पे important point क्या बताए, deemed owner का concept याद रखना.
Yes.
Section 27 subsection 1 वो पूछ सकता है.
Yes,
Because
sir.
if house property is transferred by husband to the wife, then husband will remain deemed owner. याद है?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
बोलो ना, husband will remain deemed owner. Super. Next section क्या है? Next section simply says what? जाओ आगे जाओ.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Next section says transfer of asset for the benefit of the spouse. मतलब this is simple nothing but indirect transfer. Indirect transfer for the benefit of whom? अरे बोलो ना
Spouse.
sir.
For the
Yes,
spouse.
sir.
For the benefit of spouse. For the benefit of spouse.
Spouse. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Will attract clubbing.
Transferring asset, example, to a trust and asking the trust, you transfer this income from the asset to my spouse. Mr. X is transferring the asset to the trust and trust is supposed to transfer the income to Mrs. X. Am I clear?
Yes,
Income
sir.
earned by Mrs. X will attract clubbing in the hands of whom, sir? In the hands of
Mr.
Mr. X.
Mr. X.
Mr. X.
Indirect transfer करोगे for the benefit of your spouse, then clubbing provisions will attract. इसके
Yes,
ऊपर
sir.
अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, ऐसे है कि बुक में आप कर लेना, मस्त किला क्वेश्चन है, थोड़ा हार्ड है पर कर लेना. Here this is nothing but what you know. I think 1 minute. I will erase it. Yeah, this is nothing but what you know. If mother-in-law or father-in-law
Father-in-law.
transfers asset
Asset.
for the benefit of whom, you know, daughter-in-law.
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 This is a direct transfer. This is nothing but if mother-in-law or father-in-law transfer asset to a third party
Third
for
party.
the benefit of daughter-in-law.
Daughter-in-law. Yes, sir.
Yes,
डायरेक्ट
sir.
ट्रांसफर करोगे तो क्लॉज 6, इनडायरेक्ट ट्रांसफर करोगे तो क्लॉज 8.
8. Clause 8.
रिलेशन रहना है. At the time of transfer, relation should be there. At the time of clubbing, also relation should be there.
Yes.
So government says if mother-in-law or father-in-law transfers the asset to the son's wife, that is daughter-in-law, maybe for direct transfer or maybe for indirect transfer, income earned by daughter-in-law will attract clubbing in the hands of transferor. That's called mother-in-law or father-in-law. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Consideration नहीं रहना है. Love and affection is not a sufficient consideration. Please.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
And remember here, यहाँ पे deemed owner concept नहीं applicable होगा. क्यों नहीं applicable
Yes.
होगा? Because deemed owner concept is applicable only between husband and wife or parent and minor
Right.
child.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes,
Am I
sir.
clear? Yeah, most important section. Section 64(1)(a. ये section simple है. Income earned by which child?
Minor child.
Minor
Yeah,
child.
income earned by minor child will attract clubbing in the hands of whom? Parents.
Parents.
अगर
Whoever is
minor
higher
child
income.
है, तो income earned by
1500.
that minor child will attract clubbing in the hands of whom? Parents.
Parents.
सिंपल सी बात है. दो केसेस में क्लबिंग नहीं होगा, याद रखना है. If the minor is a disabled
Knowledge.
minor or if the
Is
minor is
knowledge.
earning income from skill, talent
Skill
or
and
labor.
talent, knowledge and
हाँ, skill, talent और labor.
Knowledge.
मतलब स्किल बोले तो नॉलेज भी आ जाएगा वहाँ पे, ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir.
Remember, income will attract clubbing in the hands of that parent who has the highest total income.
highest.
Yes, sir.
पापा का इनकम
Yes.
ज्यादा तो पापा के हाथ में क्लबिंग, मम्मी का ज्यादा तो मम्मी के हाथ में क्लबिंग. बाई चांस दोनों में पेरेंट्स जिंदा नहीं है, then clubbing will not happen. हमें
Yes.
क्लियर?
Yes,
ठीक है,
sir.
लीगल
Yes,
पेरेंट्स
sir.
भी रह सकते हैं, बायोलॉजिकल पेरेंट्स भी रह सकते हैं, लीगल रिलेशनशिप रहना है, then clubbing will attract in the hands of a parent. Don't
Yes.
forget, once clubbing is done, parent can avail exemption under section, बोलो,
Exemption under section
10
10,
subsection
32,
32. Up to
1500.
rupees
32. You can claim exemption under section 10 subsection 32.
32.
The exemption
1500
given to the parent is how
1500.
much? 1500
Up
rupees
to
per child. For a maximum
Yes.
how
Two
many
children.
children?
Two child, two.
कोई restriction नहीं है ऐसे,
अच्छा हाँ.
अच्छा
Yes,
नहीं
कोई
है.
restriction.
Okay.
Yes.
कोई restriction नहीं है,
इधर लिखा.
नहीं है, नहीं है ना restriction.
Yes,
हाँ,
sir.
sir, नहीं
हाँ,
है.
sir.
नहीं
सर वो तो सैलरी चैप्टर में है ना, maximum 2 children बोल के.
Yes.
हाँ,
64 subsection 2, shall we?
yes, sir.
Yes.
64 subsection 2 is nothing but if an individual transfers asset to HUF, Hindu undivided family, मतलब a member of HUF, say Ashwin Gilda is transferring any asset to the hodgepodge of HUF, common property बना दे रहा उसको, then income earned by HUF from such asset will attract clubbing. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Simple
sir.
सा point है, if an individual being a member of HUF transfers his self-acquired property to the joint family property by transferring the asset to the HUF, then income earned by HUF will attract
Clubbing in the hands of member.
clubbing in the hands of whom, you know, member.
Member.
बोलो ना भाई,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अगर HUF का पार्टीशन हो जाता है, HUF का अगर पार्टीशन हो जाता है and share is issued by spouse or by the minor children, then income
Yes.
coming to the spouse or to the minor children from the partitioned asset will also attract clubbing.
Yes, sir.
दूर तक जाएगा नहीं फिर भी, अदरवाइज प्रिंसिपली यही सेक्शंस है. सेक्शन 60 क्या है सर? ट्रांसफर ऑफ
Transfer
इनकम
of income,
विदाउट
transferring of
Transferring
asset.
the
विदाउट
property.
ट्रांसफर ऑफ एसेट. डू यू एग्री?
Yes, sir.
Underline
Yes,
it.
sir.
यहाँ पे ट्रांसफर ऑफ एसेट
Asset
एज
revocable.
अ रिवोकेबल ट्रांसफर.
Revocable transfer.
बस दिस कंप्लीट्स योर क्लबिंग चैप्टर 60, 61 एंड
61,
64.
64.
64 में ये रिलेशन याद रखना है, याद रखना.
Two.
Unless
Yes,
and until there is no
sir.
relation, there will be no clubbing.
Yes, sir.
So this completes the revision of our clubbing. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
जाएंगे आगे. Shall we start the
Yes.
problematic part now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
चलो problematic part ले लेंगे.